Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select plane, select circle, diameter 50, give the dimension from here to here 75, select line, select trim, give the dimensions, select horizontal constraint, vertical, that's it. Sketch is fully constrained. Again select circle, 15, diameter 15, finish sketch, select extrude 15 mm. Okay, select this surface, sketch. You can see there is one more flange, that is thickness is 15 mm, height and width is 50 mm or 25. Select circle, 50, mm. Height from the base is 25, from the side also 25. Select line, select trim, select circle, 15, finish, select extrude, go to sketch, edit sketch, select tangent, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction 15 mm. Okay, apply. Select mirror, select extrude, select mirror plane, apply. One more flange, select this surface, sketch, same 50 by 50 or 25, select circle, 50 mm. Give the dimension from this point to this point, 25. Select vertical constraint, select line, select trim, give the dimensions, sketch is fully constrained, select circle, 15, finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, 15 mm thickness, okay. Select front, select ISO. You can compare friends, all the features are added. If you want, you can add the fillets. Select material here. I will go with steel. Or you can change the polishes, which one you want here. I will go with steel polished or steel blue. I will go with steel blue. If you want, you can change, or which material you want, you can give here. That's it friend, today's session. Save the part. Friends, I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more like this videos. So walls also we can give chamfer here. Select chamfer, give 0.5, select the edges. We need to select both edges. So we can increase the dimension. That's it friend, thanks for watching this video.